Mark here with Ag Drone Concepts. We are out here in Georgetown, California in El Dorado County. We are doing a drone seeding project today and we're covering about 15 acres total. Now the cool part about this job is that it is actually split into two different sites. One site is getting an irrigated custom seed mix and the other site is going to get a dry custom seed mix. Today I'm going to walk you through the entire job. From planning to setup to flight operations to getting seed down on the ground. The main goal is to establish coverage and help stabilize the ground and improve the pasture over time. The owner of this property masticated this entire property and he's gonna eventually have livestock in here, so it's gonna give his livestock pasture grazing abilities, and also because it was so thick in here, it's gonna help with fire fuel reduction. Before we do anything with the drone, we always start with compliance. Even though we're just seeding today, we treat every application like it matters, because it does. And here in California, we run these jobs with DPR standards and county requirements in mind. So before we fly, we're gonna make sure we have our site boundaries and job plan, our seed documentation, and we confirm that we are clear to operate in this zone today. Another big one is preventing off-target movement. So we're watching the wind, property lines, and roads, and any people nearby, and any livestock. On the aviation side, we're operating under FAA Part 137 for agricultural operations. So we do our airspace checks, and we keep this controlled. We run safe flight operations the entire time. If anything changes, wind picks up, people show up, conditions shift, we pause the job, no questions asked. So now we're gonna get everything staged, ready to go. We got batteries set, drone inspection done, and operation system ready. And we've already done our calibration for both seeds, so that way we get consistent coverage. So we're starting on the irrigated site first. It's a lot easier. This whole job is super complex, but that's what makes it exciting. We're gonna learn a lot today. And you can see the drone is holding a steady line and laying seed across the ground. As the drone is flying, I'm watching speed, spread consistency, wind drift, and coverage uniformity. Now we're gonna start on the dry site. And again, you can see the drone is holding a steady line and it's just doing a fantastic job. All right guys, this is one of my favorite parts. Actually walking and seeing what it looks like on the ground. We're looking for even coverage, no striping, and no heavy clumping. And right now it's looking great. And just like that, the job's done. We seeded about 15 acres total today here in Georgetown with 2 different custom seed mixes. Everything went smooth, coverage looks good, and we stayed safe and compliant the whole time. If you got questions about custom mixes, applications, and planning, or how we run these operations, drop a comment and I'll try and answer the best I can. All right guys, we'll see you on the next one.